Marta and I am 12 years old.
My name is Paula and I am 11 years old.
Today we are going
To prepare
butter cookies and fruit milkshakes.
let's
Start! Ingredients of butter cookies:
2 eggs,
350 grams of flour,
1 spoon of vanilla,
1 spoon of baking powder,
100 grams of butter.
200 grams of sugar glass,
For the glass, we need
250 grams of sugar glass.
and 1 lemon. And
And now we can start! First, we have to wash our hands.
Then we have to mix the butter and the sugar glass. Marta, what are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go to the cinema.
Okay. Do you like cooking cookies?
So.
Quick, Marta, quick. Okay.
Okay, next we have to add the eggs and the vanilla.
One egg and 2 eggs.
And what are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to study English and I'm going to go to my grandparents' house. Quick, Marta. Do I have to sieve the baking powder and the flour, Marta?
Yes, you do.
Okay, Marta, it's my turn. Marta! Do you like cook, Marta?
No, I don't like cook because I don't like do desserts. And you?
Yes, I love cooking. When we have got the mixture, we have to warp it in the transparent paper and save it in the fridge. After that, we have to remove it from the fridge. This is the mixture after 30 minutes.
Then we have to set it up with a roller. Paula, do you like Harry Potter?
Yes, I love it. My favorite movie is number 4. And do you like Harry Potter?
Yes, I love Harry Potter.
What is your favorite film?
My favorite film is 8. We want to make circles with the dough.
We have 1, 2,
3,
4,
4,
4, Okay. And finally, we have to decorate it with glass.
For do the glass, first we have to squeeze one lemon.
Next, we have to put it in a bowl, the sugar glass and the lemon juice, and mix it.
Are you nervous for the English exam?
No, I'm not. Are you?
No.
Okay, we have to mix very good. We are going to color it pink. We are going to put the glass in the cookies with a spoon. Okay. We have to put it in all the cookies. We have 6. Okay, here are the cookies.
And they are already made. Remember, Paula, we have to do the fruit milkshakes.
Oh yes, Marta, I don't remember.
First, we have to chop the fruit.
Here we have the fruit, the orange juice, the strawberries and the banana. Next, we have to blend the fruit in the blender. We put the strawberries, the bananas, and more strawberries. Okay. We are going to add the milk and the orange juice. have got the fruit milkshakes
And the cookies.